Drone Pool here. I just want to talk to you for a minute. I think I may have a little problem. Okay, most of you know that this drone here, the Tyro 99, was the first drone I built. Although it did come in a kit, you had to put a kit together, and there wasn't a whole lot of soldering. Mainly the motors to the ESC, the XT60, and that's about it really. Everything else plugged into the flight controller. So I made this with my FPV goggles the other day. Did pretty good. And then shortly after that, I built this one. Now this, oh, I got grass all over the camera lens. Turn that off. That ain't good. I didn't even know that was like that. That was from my last flight. Well, really my only flight. Now this was a little different. This was not a kit. Man, I'm finding grass everywhere. I have the Speedy Bee all-in-one F4 flight controller in this. Crazy Pony DX 2205 2300 kV. I believe that's what they are. And this was pretty, I don't know how to, I felt good after I put this one together and I saw it actually fly. Everything had to be soldered on the board on this one. I was really nervous, but after the first flight, the maiden test and the first goggle flight, it did pretty well. So I was very happy and pleased with this drone. Also, I have this drone here. This is the Vortex 180, and this is the first racer that I flew. I have not flown this in acro. I've flown it in stabilized with goggles and horizon. This has 1407 motors with 3500 kV. So I really need to fly this in acro. So I have this quad. I also have this quad, the XJB 145. Now this is a little screaming demon, and I have not flown this with goggles yet, to be honest with you. These are 1407 3600 kV motors. So I really need to get this in the air with some goggles and give it a try. And then I have this little thing, the Mantis 85. Okay, so I have stuff to fly. I got quads. I really don't need any more. But something happened after I built this one and I saw it fly. There was just something about the self-accomplishment of it. I just wanted to go build another one. So I went to Amazon, went through and purchased a bunch of parts. Well, I didn't purchase them. I put them in my cart. And for several days, I just go look at my cart and I tell myself, you don't need to do this. You got quads. Wintertime's coming. Work's going to slow down. Drone Pool, don't buy that right yet. So I put it off and I put it off. I go back and look at it. And then one day, I caved. I clicked the button. And when a couple days after I clicked the button, this stuff came. So let's check this out and see what I got. I feel a little ashamed of myself for no self-control. Let's do this one first. So let's do this one. see what we've got in here. Not much. I have DL-FPV 30 amp ESCs. I hope these are good. Anybody out there watching, if you've used these, let me know what you think. Look like they got good reviews. Okay. So I got ESCs to go on a build. Okay, let's see what we got in here. That was the only thing in that box. Okay. They just throw everything in. Okay, this is my FrSky XM Plus receiver. I've been using these on all my quads. All my PMP quads, bind and flies. So XM Plus. Speedy B flight controller. This is what I have on Mellow Yellow, so it seemed to work good, so I got another one. I was able to put it together fine. Solder everything on there fine. Yep, just like the other one. So that will be, this is an all-in-one flight controller, PDB. No need for two boards. I like that. So I have that. What is this? Uh-oh. They shorted me one. You gotta be flipping kidding me. These are my motors. Except I only have 3. They shorted me a motor. You believe that crap? These are 2206, 2450. It's like I'm gonna have to get hold of Amazon. And I'm gonna have to post this video, I guess maybe for proof. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how they handle this. There's another motor. Prop nut. Screws. I wonder if they give you 2 color prop nuts. What color is this? That's a blue prop nut. That's a blue prop nut too. Okay, I thought these were CCW and CW motors. Oakfly, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, they shorted me a motor. What a drag. What a drag. Yep, I'll have to get on Amazon. Okay, this is the frame. Standoffs. Battery straps. And a blue carbon fiber frame. No instructions, so I'll have to look that up online. So There's my frame. Sweet. Okay, let's check this box out. Props. 50-45. And then I got some bi blades. I'm gonna try these too. These are 50-45. Full nose. So I have a camera. I have an XT60 plug. I have a VTX. So I got everything I need. Minus one motor. Doggone it. So I guess I'm gonna have to go contact Amazon right now. Glad I made this unboxing. Alright. So this is something that I'll be working on in the future. This is Drone Pool. I'm gonna sign out.